All right, if you think the rain total is over for the month because we're approaching midnight, not quite. Still got to wait 60 minutes.
Let's check in with Paul now to find out how high that record will go. Paul?
And right down to the wire here into the midnight hour, because storms are moving across northern Ohio and we're approaching 9 inches of rainfall this month. Third wettest. We've been talking about it for a while. We are getting a break right now, so we're going to have to wait till midnight to get that final tally on the rainfall. I'm not quite going to hit that number 2 or number 1 spot of 10 inches plus, but we're going to be have plenty around. 63 right now, our temperature. 77, that was the high temperature this afternoon, and we're going to get back into the 70s tomorrow. Let's go ahead and take a look at your location to see where temperatures are tonight across eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania. 61 in Newton Falls, all rain-cooled air here at home. 61 in Youngstown, 64 in Guilford Lake, 62 down in Wellsville. Back to Doppler radar that has been very active all month long, and we'll shut it down into the coming days. There's a little good news in the forecast coming up. The Doppler radar right now, though, not picking up any activity here at home. I have been watching a thunderstorm that's been sliding around Cedar Point, dropping off to the southeast tonight, west of Cleveland. A little good news here, a slight weakening with this storm as it's pushing off to the east, but going to keep an eye on it because the risk will be there until this line clears into the early morning hours for showers and thunderstorms around here at home. Better weather is starting to build from the west. This is some drier air that's going to try to slide on in as we go into the rest of the week and into the holiday weekend too. Just a small chance of a shower or storm. We'll go ahead and push those showers ahead here with Future Tracker into the early morning by 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning. Still that risk of showers and thunderstorms here at home right into early Wednesday morning. That risk will stick around, and then tomorrow, not so much the thunderstorms or the heavy rainfall, but just some light showers trying to sneak on through. We'll have clouds on and off and some sunshine poking through as well. So tomorrow won't be soggy all day long. The risk will be there, though, for a light shower or sprinkle on and off through the day into tomorrow evening. And then as we go into Thursday and Friday, the storm system tries to stay just to our south. We're just going to miss it as we go into Thursday and Friday, and that's good news for us. We'll stay a little cooler, but staying drier as well as we wrap up the weekend, head into the holiday weekend. Look what happens Friday. A cool start in the 40s, and then we climb into the 70s. Eventually, and back in the mid to upper 80s coming up in that 7-day forecast. Let's get through tonight. Scattered showers, thunderstorms still in the forecast into the early morning hours. Some patchy fog possible. Tomorrow, upper 70s. I put partly sunny on here. We're going to see some sun, but we'll have quite a few clouds around too. Isolated showers, sprinkles will stay right in that forecast through tomorrow evening. The next 7 days are improving. That's better. 77 on Thursday. Going to leave that 20% chance for a shower in the forecast Thursday as that storm slips by just to our south. Friday's looking dry. Again, storm saying just south of us Friday morning. And then Saturday and Sunday, mid-80s for your 4th of July, 20%. Hey, we're liking those 20% compared to those 60s and 80s. Isolated shower storm as we go into Saturday afternoon. Sunday looks dry, mid-80s, mid to upper 80s. Next week, and only a small chance for a shower or thunderstorm as we go into the afternoon hours, Monday and Tuesday of next week. So better weather in the 7-day forecast.
The heat helps, but as a farmer, you know it's not going to be enough just those couple days to dry everything out,
it's
right?
tough. You got to get the ground dried out. And I know people trying to get hay up, if they do bale dry hay, it's just really tough for them and can't get that first crop off. It's been a rough year.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks, Paul.